Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is EHEYCIGA Dog Ramp for car. This dog ramp is designed with a gray carpet surface for better grip, crafted from durable anti-tear plastic fibers to provide traction and absorb impact when your pet steps on it. By reducing pressure on their paws and joints, this ramp helps alleviate muscle ache and joint tension caused by jumping. With a length of 63 inches, the ramp creates a smoother angle between the car and the pet, minimizing strain on muscles and joints while easing pain and preventing injuries. Ideal for short-legged, older, handicapped, or injured dogs, this aluminum ramp is both sturdy and lightweight. Despite weighing just 14 pounds, it can support up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for small, medium, and large dogs whether indoors or outdoors. Number 2 in this best dog ramp for car list is Pet Safe Folding Pet Ramp. The Pet Safe Happy Ride Folding Pet Ramp is a convenient solution for helping your pet access their favorite spots with ease and without straining their joints. With a sturdy yet lightweight design that can support up to 150 pounds, this ramp weighs only 10 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. After use, simply fold the ramp in half and secure it with the latch for compact storage. Pet Safe is dedicated to enhancing the bond between you and your pet, offering a reliable ramp that has been rigorously tested for strength and durability. Allow your furry companion to enter and exit your vehicle independently by using this folding ramp, which features a high traction surface and side rails for added safety. Reach out to our knowledgeable pet product specialists via phone, email, or chat if you have any inquiries. We're here to help you create happy moments with your pet. Our third choice is Pet Runa Dog Ramp. Pet Runa's non-slip rubber-coated surface ensures that your pet stays secure while using the car steps. The slip-resistant rubber mat underneath prevents the stairs from sliding, even in slippery conditions. Additionally, an updated carabiner safety tether provides extra protection by securing the stairs to the vehicle, giving your dog the confidence to climb independently. This 4-step dog ramp is designed to be stable and easy to climb, with a gentle slope between each step for a comfortable experience. It is ideal for older or injured dogs as it minimizes pressure on their joints. Made of high-grade metal, Pet Runa's extra-wide foldable dog stair can support up to 250 pounds and is more durable than plastic ramps. Fourth pick in this best dog ramp for car list is Pet Them Dog Ramp. The Pet Them Dog Car Ramp is a standout product in the world of dog ramps, boasting unique features that set it apart from traditional options. It is designed with built-in metal sleeves to enhance stability, a loofah-like texture for superior traction, and carpet fabric for paw comfort. Its 4-fold design allows for easy storage and portability. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy with reinforced sleeves, this pet ramp offers durable stability and can support up to 250 pounds, catering to both small and large pets. Your furry companion can confidently enter and exit vehicles with ease thanks to the secure design. The ramp's walking surface is equipped with a high-traction fabric rug featuring a loofah-like texture grip, ensuring a slip-free experience for your pet. Our fifth and last choice is EHEYCIGA Foldable Dog Ramps. This convenient and user-friendly large pet stairs, designed for hassle-free setup and portability. With a compact and foldable structure, these stairs are space-efficient in the car, allowing you to bring your furry companion along on your travels. Crafted from high-quality metal, our car dog ramp is both robust and lightweight at just 11 pounds, capable of supporting dogs up to 200 pounds. The non-slip rubber-coated surface ensures secure footing for your pets, complemented by a stainless steel carabiner safety tether for added security. Adjustable in height from 17 to 28, these dog car stairs are versatile for various vehicle types. Prior to ordering, please measure carefully to ensure compatibility with side doors that require an opening larger than 17.